the brother of Jim, for being the escort of Jim. And ladies and gentlemen, kasama na po natin si Jim ngayon. And I think much better if you're going to start this celebration with a prayer. So may I request everyone to please stand up again. And I would like to call on Reverend Alan Omar.